subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you'll be fine. This is the Hero, and I'm selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel right now. You will find the special price on my YouTube channel for wedding stuff. And today I got, guys, the round table is amazing. It's the beautiful, and I'm unboxing now right now. And I will be displaying the tablecloth for that one, and I'll put the underplate, napkins, rings, centerpiece. And I hope you like that tables. If you like, please let me know in the comments, guys. And I'll give with the prices for the tables, round tables, with the underplate, with the centerpiece, with everything. Okay, guys, this is the table now, and unboxing for this table is a round table, and it's the beautiful. You can see it's looking like this type. If you want to pour, you can also pour, and if you want to open, they will be look like this. Guys, this is on the special glasses. Is I got a best price 6 piece in the box, you can see. And yeah, you can take out also this too. This 6 piece in the box, and it's only 150. And so if you like it, you can tell me on comments, guys. And it's a beautiful Ahmad, that one also put it nicely, that too, display nicely. So I hope you will be like these glasses. If you like it, you can tell me in comments. I got a lot of stock. This tablecloth, I got it. This tablecloth is 80 rand. Sorry, this runner is 40 rand, the shining one. And this underplate is 18 rand. This one is 14 rand stock price. The rings is 10 rand. This underplate 19 rand stock price. So, and this centerpiece I got only one piece, so this one is 170 rand. And Mr. and Mrs. is 120 rand. Silver color and the gold color is available. And now you put the flowers, is more than looking beautiful. This flower is 25 rand for one, and all colors are available there. You can see all colors are available. So I hope you will be like this video. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up for this video, guys, and subscribe for my YouTube channel for more videos. And one thing, the round table is 850 rand. This is can using for 8-seater and 10-seater, you can using easy. So 850 rand the round table. If you need the stock, you can let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you so much. We'll be see you to next video. Bye bye.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We won't make a sound out in the dark where no one friends all say it's fine, but